principal engineer at Industrial Control and Design, rather known as ICAD Automation here in Fresno. ICAD Automation is a systems integrator. We work in factories throughout the valley to integrate mechanical things with electrical processes. In addition to working for ICAD Automation, I am also a faculty here at Clovis Community College. I find that really helps connect me and our business with the workforce that's out there and really creates a partnership rather than just going in blind and trying to hire somebody off the street. One of the biggest key workforce challenges that we see in our business is finding qualified applicants. ICAD Automation employs many Mechatronics students as interns, and we find that they are very sharp and capable of picking up what we do very quickly. This is a real unique program because it was created out of a need for smart, specialized students to fill this niche. That's a very big need in the Valley. Career education, a great business investment.